Oh, crikey. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm glad I just peed out of that. I just was at my pants.
That's a guy with his boy.
Oh, we got visitors.
How you doing?
Got for a ride?
Alright.
Yeah.
Same to you?
Ditto.
Yeah.
It's going down to Smith Reservoir.
That's where you've never seen it, so I thought I was taking down to it.
Yeah, we're gonna. I'll show you something down there. It's really interesting if you want to see it.
Sure.
I'll see you down there.
Yeah, but
And then he's gonna still it. If he stills it, the idea.
Still up.
Oh, crappers, I need to buckle up. Because it's getting a little roughy roady.
Right here also.
Oh! That fucking whacked me right in the lip. You think that's funny?
Hey, that's Jessie.
Ow.
She got smashed in the face.
Seriously, right here.
Oh, hun. It's okay.
You see it? Right here.
No, it's glary.
It's glary. Oh, but it's probably right there. That's like wacky though. Like seriously, right here it said, and it said, boom, with a word too.
This is, look, told you the cliffs.
Okay, here's more. Oh, sorry about that. There's more names in the trees. This is what did you call it? That's fucked up. Beefed up. It's like some kind of a swampy. Some more, Nessa. Your water.
There it is.
Well, there's Smith's Reservoir. So now we gotta find the Bundy tree. Oh. You might want to tell him first. He might not want to scare his kid. Put that over there.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Looks like it only gets about up to the shoreline. Doesn't go that far.
where are you guys from?
We sell the ground down there off of 89.
Okay.
Indianola. I mean, I'm from Salt Lake, Sandy, but
Gotcha.
we've been down here for 44 years selling ground. We did Hideaway Valley and Elkhorn and Elk Ridge and Ochre Hills. And,
Gotcha. My dad's over in Blackhawk.
oh, we did Blackhawk.
So, yeah.
He bought from Foreman Corp, which was my dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Fred Smith. Yeah, what do you got? Where are you guys from?
Springville.
Springville.
Yeah, we unloaded at Thistle and went over to his cabin. And
Awesome.
headed back, so.
Did you come up through the Thistle Way then? You did? I've always heard about that. Is there gates or is it?
Just an open. Which way did you come from?
I come
Indianola?
from, yeah, Indianola past the
Just an
church.
open road all the way down to Thistle, right there at the tunnel there.
So you guys came up and, okay, yeah, okay, all right. I've been wondering about that road and if there's been gates or anything,
No,
so it's good to know.
Just like this road, it just goes straight out all the way the rest of the way out. So.
Nice machine,
Thanks.
nice machine. Hey, over here, in the side of one of these trees is Ted Bundy.
It says Ted Bundy.
76.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'll
Oh,
show it to
we're
you.
going to film it right now.
It's very interesting.
I bet it's very.
I don't think a lot of people know about it. You can see where
Smith
the water
Reservoir.
line
We are the Smith's Reservoir. Going to check out the Bundy tree.
is. We're going to the Bundy
And not the
tree.
Al
I
Bundy
swear
tree.
We're up in this grove right
The Ted
here.
Bundy tree.
This one, watch our tracks. That's half asleep.
Just know that if you find this iPad, this is my iPad. Find me.
Like
And look
you're
for
around
the-
here trying to, you know.
Smith's Reservoir and the Ted Bundy tree. You will find me. Okay, we've got a lot of, looks like, names.
Okay, see the
Everywhere.
big tree down?
The big tree's down. Big tree down. Little tree down.
This is
Okay.
it, I swear.
This is it?
It is.
Okay.
It is.
Looks like this is it. We're here. We've reached our Ted Bundy investigation destination.
We tried to burn a log here. It doesn't look that. Okay. Alright. Okay, we were shooting that. Okay. Okay, here it is. See this big fallen tree?
Yeah.
Somewhere on there is this lady's name, but we know a lady who found it. And I don't know if they've investigated, but.
Oh,
And then you got
my
an arrow.
goodness.
They say this is like a woman laid out, you know,
Like a symbol.
his symbol. But see,
Asshole.
somebody's put that there. And then he has an arrow. And then over here, there a lady named Carol Bird is a lady that he
Carol Bird.
supposedly
What's on this one?
killed. And it was on this tree. Who was this? Somebody who found this was.
Okay, there's an arrow
right
with an X, it looks like.
So she thought maybe that somebody's buried here, but I don't know if
And then there's a.
I don't know if they've ever seen that. And isn't that
Whoa.
Well,
Almost fell.
That's about before he was cruising around, wasn't it?
actually, okay. We just went over to a lady's house this morning who I came up here. She couldn't She didn't come up, so I brought her up. And these people all who investigated it and the letters inside and so
Someone mistaken.
You would have made it up here.
Yeah.
You bet.
Yeah.
Yeah, something to show your grandkids.
Yeah.
See if we can find
Pretty
the
cool.
name.
Cool. Well, you guys have a wonderful day. I brought lunch up.
Cool.
I'm gonna go have some lunch.
Alrighty. It was nice to meet you.
Wonderful to meet you, Brandon Smith.
Cool.
Always. You guys, what's your name?
Colin.
Colin. Nice name. Good to meet you.
Alright, guys. Have a
You
good
guys have a
afternoon.
wonderful day. Be safe.
Will do.
Always. First little oak grove as you come in. Okay. And it was a little colder last night coming down.
It was cold this morning on our drive over.
Yeah. That sun goes down and it gets cold.
I'm gonna go on the other side.
Okay. Now, do you get a vibe around?
Not right now, I don't.
I guess it was all cold last
It's a
night.
lot
It was
of-
a little bit different of a feeling,
It normally is at dark anyway. Well, can you see a name on there? Carol. Could have been in the bark. The bark fell off. No. Any scars?
That's where it is. Once the bark comes off.
But it leaves a
You
scar.
just start digging.
I see that somebody started digging.
That's an axe cut there. But what is with this little... Why does he have...
An arrow
What
pointing
is going on with
this way.
this? What is this cross?
Cross.
See how old it is? Okay. What I mean
What
by-
cross?
Okay, see, look
That
at
to me looks like
2004?
an X.
See, look at 2004.
Yeah.
You go up to it's very new, but look at how deteriorated and split the T is, and it's been here for a long time. And I'm not an expert by any means.
But I mean, seriously, it's not as big as the asshole. Excuse my language, but you know, it's not as wide.
This is way older.
It
than
is.
this. Somebody's put that and found that before Tina did. But you know,
She could be right here.
well,
And then
this
her
means
name was
something.
on
okay. Her name was Carol.
that tree or
Bird.
something right there.
Where is that? Carol Bird. Around here, there's a few names.
What was that? Maybe right here where it's all shallow.
See how old this 1981 was?
I mean, that's kind of dippy right there. So this is a game he would play. He would... Sick. Frickin' tard. Yeah. Right here is lower.
Now,
Right here.
76. On T. Okay. Here's the cross. This is one the one. This is
Okay. Let's go to the other one.
the one that I was saying about Montgomery. Maybe this was the something, but this is a 1970. It almost looks like a 6 or something weird here. But there's the cross. Now somebody's recent. See how new that, Liz?
Yeah, it was
That's
probably
maybe
last
3,
night.
4, 5 years old. You can see how old in time they get.
Oh, look at that one up top there.
No, that's just the tree splitting. Though.
Okay.
But see, where's these others?
Let's go see who else is up here. I love... It says, I love Cammy
Cammy.
and Cody JC. Oh.
No,
McKell.
Huh?
McKell? Where's a McKell?
Wow, that's old looking.
Ballard, John.
95. Look at that. Somebody
Wow.
did a lot of work there.
Smith.
Where?
Rose.
Oh,
Romano.
Rosemary.
Romano.
Romano.
Rosamano.
Fuck, you must be.
Smith. Botanical.
No, we were shooting this.
Wow, there's a lot of names.
Oh my God.
I know, you squealer.
2012. Anakin Ashland. See, this is way new. Look at that.
I know, I saw it. I got it on video.
See how new it is? Let me see, look. That's 2 years old.
Okay. Well, we're going to have to carve.
Well, you're
J-Lo. Just kidding. It says BKLV.
Well, now, maybe we need to go up
Why?
and get our own tree and christen it.
I think we need to put it by the Ted Bundy tree. Let's put it on the same frickin' tree.
Really?
Yeah.
That might be a curse.
Let him know where we're at, and we're here to find out what's going on with all that.
I don't know. That tree's almost dead.
Yeah. Almost like the creator of the
Oh my hell.
world. I'm just
We
kidding.
didn't bring any toilet paper, did we?
No.
Really?
No tissue.
Really?
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 Oh, really?
Indiana?
Here, give me some of that
You
water.
mean leaf it?
You're going to have to